Welcome to Decision Inc.'s Quick Tip series. Here's a powerful tip to boost your sales using the Microsoft Customer Engagement tool. Let's dive in.
I'm Terence Geddes from Decision Inc. and welcome to today's Quick Tip in our Mastering the Microsoft Suite series. Today we want to introduce you to editing multiple records all at once in Dynamics 365 for sales. This becomes especially useful when you have a lot of data entries that you need to capture and even update. To get started, select your multiple leads by making use of the toggle selection at the top or by selecting your leads individually. Then click on your edit button. Now choose the column that you'd wish to update, such as your lead source or your lead type. Today we will update the source campaign by clicking on the search button. Now select your source campaign and click on save. Once saved, navigate to your edit columns. Now add the column that you've just updated. Make your selection, click on apply. And there you have it. In just a few clicks, we've managed to update these 4 records. Hopefully this tip will boost your work efficiency and optimization, making your everyday job a lot more easier.
Take control of your data and save time with bulk editing in Sales CRM. Ready to streamline your updates? Reach out to our team or visit our website to explore more training, discuss managed services, and discover additional tips.